guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler. So today is a special request tutorial to make this tiger. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's get started. And we're gonna start with like a cube. So we're gonna build all four sides first. And then you can see that piece with the yellow dot, that one is actually facing the front of the body. And now we're closing up with the cube, and you can see the little red dot, that is for the back. Alright, now adding this piece to the bottom to close it up. And then we're gonna add the top piece. Sorry, I have a cold, so my voice is getting really bad, so maybe I'll just leave it to you guys to watch how I build it. Alright, well done. I hope you like this tutorial and give me a thumbs up if you make this one. Tell me on Instagram so I can give you a special shout out. Alright, see you guys next time.
Thank you
Bye.
so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.